Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for insurance. Scheduling difficulties are a major cause of client churn in the insurance business. Your livelihood as an insurance agent depends on how well you can convince potential customers to buy a policy and how effective you are at generating conversions. With the rise of appointment apps, many agencies are now using them to boost their client base and improve their conversions. Prioritize and help users efficiently by qualifying them in advance. Set up custom intake forms to qualify prospects automatically. See all your meetings and prospects in one simple dashboard. Sync prospect data with your Sales CRM through Zapier. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.